Like many executives, you might wonder, why should I test my marketers? And how much training do they really need? In the past 12 years of research, CEB has seen a strong correlation between an organization's marketing knowledge and its sales performance. More specifically, CEB research confirms that companies that successfully implement a talent strategy focused on foundational marketing capabilities benefit from a nearly 10% sales gain. And what's more, our research shows that only 2/3 of marketers have a marketing background, and most overestimate their knowledge. How do you address this in your organization? CEB Marketing Excellence Survey is a new offering available for CEB Marketing Leadership Council members. The survey benchmarks your organization against a database of 65,000 marketers from hundreds of companies across industries. And our targeted online training helps you address your organization's specific capability gaps. Unlike other assessments that capture perceived knowledge, our survey focuses on actual knowledge in areas such as strategic marketing, as well as attitudes about the customer and competition. The question's right or wrong answers objectively show your organization's capability gaps, and you can see how your organization stacks up against the entire global database. In addition, respondents will be questioned on their perception of your organization, marketing plans, and more, giving you valuable insight on the voice of your staff. Respondents can take the survey, offered in 7 languages, at their own desk in about 45 minutes. Once the survey is complete and submitted, participants will receive a personal feedback report within 1 week. The report will include their results, a customized recommendation for our online modules to fill in their specific gaps, and a development plan to review with their manager. At the same time, you will receive the overall company benchmark report. This will arm management with the necessary information to reveal and address hidden weaknesses, avoid costly training investments, and more. You'll learn how your marketers' perceived familiarity with concepts stacks up against your actual familiarity as measured by the objective assessment. This helps you identify and upskill overconfident marketers so you can feel secure in their strategic decisions that affect your brand. You'll also see weaknesses in your talent pipeline, helping you steer your limited training investment to avoid costly succession management challenges in the future. The 17 award-winning training modules map back to the areas of knowledge and attitudes tested in the survey, giving you an easy, turnkey method for upskilling your organization. Each 30-minute self-paced online module combines video learning, integrated quizzes, and downloadable workbooks to reinforce key learnings and tie the lessons to relevant business issues. Most companies use our survey to reassess their marketers at the end of the year, measuring knowledge increases and getting a true read of ROI. Join the hundreds of leading companies taking advantage of our CEB Marketing Excellence Survey to achieve marketing excellence with the greatest efficiency and effectiveness.